Alright.
What's up, Big Money?
Working on another damn mold thing for the glass blowing guy.
Hey. Ridiculous.
Pretty simple.
Just take that computer, bring it over those like, hey,
I'm just
fix this.
that's fishing shop talk.
But I don't like their work. Every time we take something to weld, you get it back looking like shit. They fucked up my life. I got a fucking 50 ideas popping in my head right now.
Yeah, harsh language. That's how we do it though, right?
Blows glass, he'll probably do a good job of that, because that's what he does, right? Well, that's what I'm saying. But if we're making up tools for his trade,
Basically, we just taking every ball nose end mill that we got in the shop and plugging them in. Right here, I'm just touching them off with the wiggler, find my zero. That's my buddy Tyler. He's already graduated as well. He works in a manual shop right now. And he didn't. He had to run back and redraw the damn thing.
I thought like those fucking ringmaker dudes use shit like this too to fucking pull the ends and shit. Walk to my car.
You can see Tyler really getting after it that morning, huh? He ain't got nothing better to do than stand there and talk. Something like a water jet incident. I'm just gonna run these damn things basically like a drill, right? Pull out the old calculator, figure out the speed, and just sink the bitch in. No, I didn't touch off with the quill, I just dropped it down close. And I cranked the handle up on the knee till it touches off. Zero it. I mean, you can see my face in the corner. I'm watching the handle as I'm feeding it in. I ain't really sure how fast I ought to be feeding it. Especially a 2-flute nut steel. And we're doing this guy a real favor because he just wanted us to make like a 1-inch radius, and he brought some old raggedy old piece of steel over, all rusted up, flame cut, all lopsided in every direction. I mean every direction. You know, he just wanted one little radius put in it. So we just gonna put every radius we got in the shop in the damn thing. Just making one block, you know, biggest to smallest, straight down the block, and 2 offset at the end, because we didn't have enough room. I didn't realize the damn thing was gonna bird nest on me with a damn end mill. to get to where I was breaking the chips with that big ass thing. I want to say that's 1.5, 1 3/4, something like that. I don't quite remember. You see, I drop it in a little bit, and then I let off. I don't back off to break the chip. You just stop feeding, it'll break itself. You do the same thing with a drill, right? You don't have to back out unless you need to clear the chips out. You don't need to back out. Just stop drilling. It'll pop the chip on its own. That's essentially what I'm doing. There go Tyler again, walking up on me with that bullshit. Whole time I was using that damn thing, I kept waiting to get smacked in the face with one of them stringers. See, this is where we're talking about the blueprint. You had to go redraw the blueprint. Somewhere I lost some of the damn videos, so I didn't get plugging all of them in, but it doesn't matter, right? It's just the same damn thing, just dropping a freaking ball nose in that piece of steel. Whatever your diameter is, go half that. Sink it in your radius and call it good. I'm pretty much, I'll take it right to the, size. I'll stop probably 5 thousandths before I need to, and then I'll slowly move in that 5 thousandths and then let it dwell for a second, and then drop the knee just enough to get the tool off the bottom. That way it leave a decent finish. The first tool holder we put in the damn thing, I don't know who crashed that damn thing, because it was wobbling like hell. And not the shank, the big bulky part that holds the damn tool. You had to really hit something to bend that damn thing. I don't know how you hit something that hard on a manual machine. The hell are you doing? What you do, hit the damn power feed and walk away? Man, that doesn't even make no sense. Well, what can you do, right? I threw that bastard in the trash. I mean, that's even worse than crashing it. Why'd you put it back in the cabinet? Wobbly as hell, knowing you can't use the damn thing. I mean, I guess if you needed if it was running out 50, let's say it was running out 20,000, and you needed 7577 hole. Wobble broach that bitch, I guess. That's Peter right there. That dude there is a genius. He's a manual machinist. I don't never remember what country he's from, but you gotta respect that dude right there. Because when he came to America, he didn't speak no English. So he taught himself English. I watched dude with our first teacher, Roger Bowen, another genius. I watched Peter videotaping Roger speaking about the cam, how to use the cam software and trigonometry or whatever it was that he needed to brush up on or just outright learn. He'd videotape the man and then go home and translate what was in the video. Come on now. And some of you jokers got excuses about how you can't get something done, how you can't learn something. This man don't even speak no damn English. Now he speaks great English, awesome English. You know, overseas where he's from is his family owned. That's Ted in the background right there with that big ass beard. But overseas where he's from, his family they own a machine shop. So this dude's been a manual machinist. You know, there's no telling how young he was when he started right there. But you know, anytime I have a manual question, Peter's the guy. Peter's the guy I ask. You know, I mean, if I was hiring somebody, I'd hire Peter over my damn self. You know what I'm saying? I'll learn seeing whatever program you got faster than Peter, because I don't have the language barrier that Peter has. But as far as just knowing how to get something done manually, come on, man. Dude's smart, right? I seen this dude turn a ball. One of the welders needed a ball so we could hammer out a freaking helmet, and this dude turned the ball by hand, 2 axes at a time, on a 17-inch tornado. And see, what happened here is all these yahoos around me talking to me, I forgot where I was at. So basically I'm just coming out the hole, touching off on the parallel, minusing the parallel, and then count my way back down to the bottom. You know, I think I know where I'm at, and I did know where I was at, but if you got a question, man, you might as well just you might as well just come out the hole and start measuring. Another damn bird now. That one just picked up the other ones that was laying on there. And there we go. Like I said, we just start with the biggest radius and work our way down to the smallest radius. Yeah, they ate the keyway out the machine. Half the machines ain't got no keyway. Brand new machine, they done ate the keyway out. Dumbasses putting collets in. You know, you can't twist the damn thing to find the slot. They just shove the freaking thing in there and hit the power, you know, the draw bar and suck it up in there. Oh man! You know, then we got to tilt the. I got pictures of us, me and Tyler, in there doing surgery on one of the damn things. Got the whole head tilted sideways, trying to knock the freaking keyway up and out of it. What can you do? So you can see most of the holes down through there, and then we did the 1/2 inch, I believe, is the last one there, you know, at the very bottom, and then we go back up and, you know, go left and right and sink in the 2 smaller ones that finished it off. You can see Sam back there on the lathe. The most anal dude I've ever met when it comes to machining. He's slowly breaking himself at that though. It's wearing on him. He's anal when he needs to be now most of the time. That CNC broke him at that shit. They're trying to chase down problems in the CAM software. So, used up all his material. He's trying to make, 10 or whatever down. You see I'm bumping the table, and when I get close I put tension on the lock, and also I hold one hand that's kind of pulling against it and the other hand is bumping in the direction I need, just kind of a counterbalance. I do the same thing with the quill when I'm trying to feed it real slow, or anything when I'm feeding it slow. One hand's always kind of counterweighting the other one, I guess you could say. I ain't sure. But old Sam was trying to make these intake flanges, and he bought enough material to make, 10, 12 of the damn things. I think he wound up with like 2 or 3 good ones. The first one he made would have been perfect, and he just started screwing with things and got sucked in that wormhole. There goes Peter right there. Like I said, I've got much respect for Peter. Smart guy. I got respect for anybody who overcomes whatever circumstances. We had a student in school told another student he don't think Chuck likes him. Man, I like dude fine. He's a cool dude, man. What I don't like is people not taking their future seriously, or just not taking their job seriously, not doing what the hell you need to do, right? Show up for school every day, man. Show up on time and leave when you're supposed to leave, or stay late. I mean, I've had days I've stayed at school 2 hours past the time I needed. Matter of fact, helping Sam with them damn intake flanges. But Sam will go over there and sit down and help me with TIG welding. That's the way you're supposed to be. And we both talk trash to each other the whole time. That's the way the whole shop is. Just trash talk is how we roll. And then you see, I let it pause for a second, and then I back it up just a cunt hair, and then turn the spindle off. Just enough to get it off the part before you shut it down. Use the brake. That aggravates me when people turn it off and just let it just roll. I don't know why. I guess it don't matter if it don't need to stop, but hit the damn brake. As you can see, it's a cold day in Florida. I got my Scully cap on. It's probably, from where my Scully is, probably in the 40s when I left. The problem is, I got that fluffy ass soft hair, so once that Scully goes on, it can't come off unless I'm sweating enough to comb my hair, because my hair will be everywhere. And that's the last hole right there, and then she's done. Woo-hoo! Crikey, she's a beaut.